Today we are going to look at how do characters and setting help to tell a story. We are going to examine the characters, setting, and problem that the author sets up for us in the case of the gasping garbage. Here, the author introduces Doyle and Fosse, science detectives, known throughout the 5th grade for their relentless pursuit of answers, and not just any answers, the right answers. The reader is introduced to Doyle and Fosse and given an important detail about their motivations. So here we know what they are up to and what their purpose is in the story. The next piece of information that the author introduces to us is the setting. Here, the author says, on a damp, drizzly day in an attic not too far away, Drake Doyle worked alone in his homemade laboratory. Here the reader is introduced to the setting, a homemade lab in Drake Doyle's attic on a rainy day. We can clearly see that the setting takes place in an attic not too far away. It's a damp, drizzly day, and he's working in his lab. These are all things that I can picture in my mind as the author is introducing us to this setting. The last piece of information that the author introduces to us is the problem. Here the author states, "Hurry, hurry, it's a major emergency," someone screamed on the other end of the phone. "There's a monster in my garbage can." Doyle and Fosse are presented here with a problem that fits their character motivations. These characters are determined. They are given important details about their motivations. So here, this shows us that they are probably going to be set up to solve this problem. These are just some of the ways that the author helped to tell us about characters, setting, and a problem in a story. I hope this has helped you to develop some characters, settings, and events for some of the stories that you might be writing. Good luck, friends!